Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest trends in dining room decor, perfect for giving your space a stylish and functional upgrade. Whether you're hosting dinner parties, enjoying family meals, or simply want a space that reflects your taste, these ideas will inspire you to transform your dining area into a stunning masterpiece. Let's get started. Trend 1. Statement lighting. One of the easiest ways to elevate your dining room is with statement lighting. Oversized pendants, geometric chandeliers, or sculptural fixtures can create a dramatic focal point. Look for designs with metallic finishes or natural materials like rattan or wood for an on-trend vibe. Don't forget to choose lighting that complements the size of your dining table to maintain balance and harmony. Trend 2. Mix and match seating. Gone are the days of perfectly matched dining sets. The latest trend is all about mix and match seating. Combine upholstered chairs with sleek metal or wooden options, or add a bench for a casual yet chic touch. This approach allows you to experiment with textures, colors, and styles to create a more personalized look. Trend 3. Bold colors and patterns. Infuse energy into your dining room with bold colors and patterns. Jewel tones like emerald green, deep navy, or rich burgundy are making waves, as are patterned wallpapers and rugs. Use these elements to add depth and interest to your space, but balance them with neutral tones to avoid overwhelming the room. Trend 4. Natural and sustainable materials. Eco-friendly design continues to be a significant trend, and your dining room is no exception. Incorporate natural and sustainable materials like reclaimed wood tables, bamboo chairs, or stone accents. Pair these with greenery or dried floral arrangements to enhance the organic aesthetic. Trend 5. Curves and organic shapes. Curved furniture and decor are trending this year, softening the edges of traditional dining room designs. Look for round or oval dining tables, arched mirrors, or wavy wall art to introduce a sense of flow and comfort. These elements create an inviting atmosphere that feels both modern and timeless. Trend 6. Multifunctional spaces. As homes adapt to changing lifestyles, dining rooms are becoming more multifunctional. Consider adding a sleek sideboard that doubles as a workspace, or use stylish storage solutions to keep the area organized. Multifunctional furniture ensures your dining room is as practical as it is beautiful. With these latest trends in dining room decor, you can create a space that's not only stylish, but also tailored to your needs. From bold lighting to sustainable materials and multifunctional designs, there's something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which trend you're most excited to try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching.